Moving on, let's talk about another company which has been in focus for quite some time and has been in news also. This particular stock has been reacting to various news reports, and today we have Just Dial for you. That particular stock is seeing somewhat of selling pressure today. It's down about 1.63% or so. But the company has got some big plans, especially in their fourth quarter of the current financial year, as far as their Search Plus engine is concerned. To talk to us about that, we are now joined by Mr. Ramakumar Krishnamachari, CFO at Just Dial. Thank you so much, Mr. Krishnamachari, for speaking with us here on NDTV Profit. The company has also got a board approval to raise about 1,000 crore rupees. Could you give us an update? When are you likely, to raise funds?
Yeah, we just got an enabling resolution, and we had clarified also that unless we see a compelling reason for deployment of that fund, we are not going to go ahead and raise money. So in as such, it's just going to remain an enabling resolution for in the medium term. We have not found any attractive deployment opportunity, meaning we have not found anything attractive to do any inorganic or strategic deployment of funds. So hence these funds, the resolution is going to remain as such. We are not going to looking at raising money and keeping it. So it's just going to remain there as a resolution. We are not going to raise money now.
Are you focusing, like you're saying, you haven't been able to find anything attractive as of now, so are you looking forward to more of an inorganic opportunity or an organic one as well?
Yeah, my organic initiative doesn't need capital, the quantum that we are talking about. But most of the initiatives in Search Plus transactions and e-commerce are capital light, asset light. My internal accrual is more than enough to sort of fund those initiatives, and hence I don't need the capital. And within this itself, I am putting my incremental margin that otherwise I would have generated from my core search business and diverting that into investments in this Search Plus. So organic, capital light, asset light, don't need. My internal accrual are more than enough. So there's no question of raising capital for anything for organic purpose. So whatever it is, it would be for more of inorganic purposes. As I said, we have not found anything that I can usefully or gainfully deploy at this point of time.
Right. Moving on, let's talk about your Search Plus engine as well. The company has got some really big plans. That's what we've been reading about. Could you give us a sense of what kind of a launch are you looking forward to in the fourth quarter? What kind of an ad spend has been planned?
Yeah, as we mentioned earlier, we have number of products which are already live on our platform, but we have not yet communicated to the market yet. We have not communicated to the mass users. We are so far known only as a search company. Transactions are happening when people are coming to our platform and discovering. But then we need to communicate the fact that you can buy more efficiently any branded goods, be it television, water filter, cameras, refrigerator, etc. on my platform. It's an e-commerce play. You can book tickets. You can any sort of tickets, you can reserve hotels, etc. on my platform. So essentially we have not done the communication part of it to our users. We will be doing that in Q4. The mobile version of many of these should be live by then. So we are looking at launching the commercial launch of the Search Plus transactions to e-commerce platform sometime in Q4. We believe that there will be a one-time spend to the range of about 40 crore, which we think is needed to sort of introduce Search Plus platform to among the larger user community. So this is just a one-time spend purely for launching the Search Plus. That's our plan. Hopefully, you should see us in the media and as well as communicating the Search Plus initiatives in Q4.
So that product, the way you're explaining it, looks quite interesting. Tell us, how much do you think you will be able to increase your revenues, when it comes to only through Search Plus? How much of a boost will it give to your overall bottom line, and what are the plans ahead?
So let me give you a perspective. What we are looking at is to address the 98-99% commerce which is happening in India today, which is happening offline, to provide an online version. It can be anything, any commerce that we are talking about. We are providing an online platform. Hence, what we are talking about, there's a value for both the consumers stroke users in form of price discovery and saving time, and the level of service that they would experience buying anything from my platform, or the ease and convenience with which they can do multiple transactions on my platform. And on the other hand, we have this offline players who are doing commerce today but don't have an online platform, so they get a huge opportunity to be part of the online play. Essentially what we are providing is an online to offline platform. So there's a tremendous value proposition for both the offline vendors as well as to the online consumers. So for consumers, it's going to be saving time, saving money, and the whole convenience of doing 20-25 different things on a single platform, on a single app. So and the vendors, they get to access to the consumers who are going online. So too premature for me to put any number. You can think as if we are going to be part of, we are going to be play in each of the vertical in which commerce is happening today. The online commerce is happening today, be it e-commerce, be it the travel vertical, be it the movie vertical, restaurant vertical, doctor vertical. In each of these verticals, we will be a very serious play. Given the scale of relationship that we have, just to give you an example, we have a relationship with more than 300,000 doctors. We are rolling out a practice management app for for them. Soon users will be able to book movie ticket in a few clicks. We have already tying up with all the more than 150 movie theater chains. So and then obviously the e-commerce product, more than 150,000 products for which we are dealing it today. There is a price discovery happening through reverse auction. Plus we have recently launched what we call JD guarantee, meaning that any product you buy through the JD guarantee will be delivered in 7 hours. There will be a local vendor who will come and deliver this, and the price points at which you will find it, you will get it, you will buy it, will be as competitive as any of the marketplace play in India today. So there's a compelling value proposition to the users, there's compelling value proposition to the vendors. Difficult for me to put a number, but except to tell you that the potential is immense and it is huge. So it's only a question of us launching it. It's already there. We are ready to launch in Q4.
All right, Mr. Krishnamachari, thank you very much for speaking with us here on NDTV Profit and giving us a sense of this big campaign that the company is looking forward to launch in the fourth quarter, trying to give a lot of value proposition when it comes to the customers, and we are going to see this happening in the fourth quarter. They've got a ad spend of roughly about 40 crores, which is going to happen in the fourth quarter, and then they will start seeing some revenues coming in from there. We are slipping into a very short break right now. Don't go anywhere. We'll discuss what's expected from the RBI's monetary policy tomorrow.